You can see the beauty when one person does not forget another, when bread is broken in two and the road grows gentle again. You can see it in the vine-covered yard, in the gate left open, in the hand that calls you closer, in the words spoken with care. We are not alone in this world. We were not made of stone. One carries the light, another keeps the fire warm. Light, la, light, high, la, light. We live beneath the same sun. Oy, oy, oh, my friend. With longing and patience we go on. Light, la, light, la, la, light. Mountain, field, and sea. High, la, light. Good people. Beauty lives in how we choose to be. The mountains do not shout, but they hold the sky on their shoulders. The river does not boast, but it carries stories and names. The forest does not ask who owns the most. It gives shade and song to the one who knows how to listen. And so can we, if we choose to live more clearly, not one above another, but one beside another, with the soul made steady. Oh, my heart, oh, it is not hard to be kind. Hey, my friend, hey, when we remember, beauty is not only in clothing, dance, or song. It lives in the way we do not leave each other behind. It lives in the child who learns to greet the elders. It lives in the person who says, come sit, take from what I have. It lives in the neighbor who notices when the gate closes heavy. It lives in the voice that asks, are you well, my friend? Shai-la-lai, shai-la-lay. We are not only passing through. Do-we-do-we-lay-lay, my friend. We are keepers of what is true. Lai-la-lai, la-la-lay. A home grows from invitation. Hi-la-lay, oi-oi. A person grows through patience. To live together does not mean we must be the same. One comes with longing, another comes with their own way. One knows the soil, another knows the word. One makes a table from wood, another heals the mind. One sings through the flute, another works in silence. One keeps the fire alive, another brings strength. And if each one carries their purpose with care, the world does not break apart. The world begins to bind. Coexistence is not weakness. It is wisdom. It is not loss. It is root. When one person sees another, fear becomes smaller. When care enters the home, the world becomes softer. Oi, oi, oh. One person sees another. Lai, la, lai. The road holds the road. Hi, la, lay. Care holds the house. Oh, my heart, oh. You'll not forget the table. Let us not allow hurry to steal the good voice from us. Let us not allow noise to turn us into ash. Let us not allow price to become the only measure, because sometimes what is cheap leaves a burn on the heart. Value is seen in what remains afterward, in trust, in work, in a word that helps, in something made with care, in time freely given, in the person who says, I saw you. just one human name. People searching for more peace inside this world again. Oi, oi, oh, my friend, it is not too late to be more kind. Shy, la, 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 la. Let us not lose ourselves on the road. Remaining beauty is not only doing on costume. It is the longing for home. It is the stranger on the road. It is the simple table. It is the place beside the fire. It is laughter after tears. It is faith that something good can still arrive. It is the way we say, come stay, let us talk a little more. It is the art of remaining human even when we are tired. Let us live together, not against one another. Let us grow together, not at the cost of one another. Let us hold tight.